How to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how you can download the YouTube videos for offline viewing so that you can watch them anytime without the internet. So let's get started. So for that we can open up the YouTube app, and this is the best and the legal way to download videos. So once we open up the YouTube app, we can find the video that we want to download. So we can directly go over and find it up. We can tap on the video that we want to download or look out for the search bar at the top and find the video and go ahead and tap on it. For example, let's say this is the video I would like to download or we would like to download. Once we find the video, we can just go over and scroll right like this from the subscribe option available. And from there, tap on the download button from right below the video. So tap on it and we can choose the video quality. So we have the option for video quality as well. We can just go over and tap on it like this. And we'll be finding option to go ahead and choose up a quality. We can choose up a quality. For example, you can just go and tap on this download option and we'll be finding option to choose up a quality. You can directly tap on it. Or usually when we are downloading a video, what happens is it will directly go ahead and download video for medium and low quality, which is something for free. But for premium version, we get to save the video for 1080p and more than that. So we can just go over and head over and find the video that we want to download and wait for the download to be finished. And the video will be saved inside the library. So go to U tab in the bottom right. And once we find it up, we can just go over, go to the U tab and look out for our profile, and then just head over, go to the section for downloads. And when we head over there, there will be finding the video that we have downloaded. We can just go over and watch it only inside the YouTube app. The video will be available offline, so you can just go over and look out for it for this section. So you can also go to YouTube and download the YouTube premium version for best experience. So for that, go to your profile and look out for the option for settings at the top. And from there, look out for purchases and memberships. And we can just go over and upgrade our YouTube to the latest version available. Tap and learn more. And if you have YouTube Premium, it will download the video and make it stay longer, higher quality available, no ads, background play included as well. And the steps are same as above, just a bit of features. So you can just go over and follow up this process and you should be able to download the videos. But some videos cannot be downloaded due to the creator restrictions. Download expire after some time, so if you go offline too long, it will be deleted. You need to have be online once or 20 days. You can just go over and do so. And that's how we download the YouTube videos for offline viewing. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.